Nepal has around 800 kilometers of mountain range and is home to some of the tallest mountains of the world. They are the glory, the pride of Nepal. However, over the years, an increasing number of visitors have turned these mountains into garbage dumps, thus contaminating local watersheds, threatening the health of the people, the environment, and an impact on biodiversity. These risks have been further amplified by the effects of climate change. One simply could not just stand by and look at the glorious ecosystem deteriorate and let human activity take an immense toll on nature. As a consumer goods company, we have to take responsibility for the country we are doing business in. Therefore, this year, Unilever Nepal partnered with the Nepal Army to clean the seventh highest peak in the world, the Dhaulagiri. A team of total 22 members, comprising of experienced Sherpas as team leaders and Nepal Army, conducted the cleanup of the Dhaulagiri mountain. The team prepared itself by acclimatizing itself in the high altitudes for 21 days before gathering all the logistic support to initiate the ascent to the 8,167 meter tall the Dhaulagiri mountain. The cleanup activity lasted for 31 days and the waste collected was ferried down to Takam and later brought to Kathmandu for handling over to our recycling partners. Through this campaign, around 5,000 kilograms of waste, including 2,500 kilograms of plastic waste from Dhaulagiri was retrieved. It's a small step towards preserving the pristineness of the Dhaulagiri.
The mountain cleaning campaign 2021 was concluded on 5th June. And we were successful in doing so because of the help from various partners involved in it. I would like to thank Unilever Nepal for participating in this novel campaign of cleaning mountains and saving the Himalayas for the future. Thank you.